Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to change administrator's account name on Windows 10. And I know I did do a video on this about 2 years back, but I feel like it was terrible and it caused more problems than it actually solved. And to be frank, I didn't really explain anything. So basically, if you don't know what the account name is, when you first start up your computer and you have the lock screen, right, it's that name that appears, and some people may not want it to be HB2, or if you're in an office and you want to have your personal name and then a work account name, what have you. Basically, I'm going to show you how to change that. First, you're going to want to click on the search icon, and if you do not have this or want the one I have, you're going to right click on an open space on your taskbar, go up to search, click show search icon. You can also click show search box, which gives you a search box, or you can just hide it. Once we've done that, we want to click search and we're going to type in Netplwiz. Now if your search thing isn't working, what you can do is click Windows and R, which opens up the run menu. You're going to type in Netplwiz. You can do it either way. Both ways work. I just feel that the search bar method is easier, but if you want to do it quicker, there's also the run. What we're going to want to do is click on the account name we're going to want to change. So let's say I want to change post GRES. We're going to click on properties, and then here we are. So let's change the name. Say I want, Bosnia, right? And then the full name is actually what's going to be displayed on the lock screen itself. So if I type in Bra, that's going to be the name that's displayed. If I type in Bosnia, that's going to be the name that's displayed. And let's just type in John. Just say hypothetically my name is John. And then description, this is John's account. And then we're going to click apply and OK. And then we're going to click OK. And then there we have it. A common problem I've noticed is when I was trying this out again, when you click settings, it won't open. For me, obviously it opens, but if it doesn't open for you, I've linked a video down below that shows you how to get around this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like, consider subscribing, commenting, liking, all that. Leave some feedback down below. I'm working on new videos every single month, which I know is very bad, but I have things to do, and frankly, YouTube isn't my top priority. With that being said, have a good rest of your day, and goodbye.